A curious builder selects a rugged pickup and plans to turn it into a modular expedition machine, step by step. They start with a clear blueprint, choosing a chassis, a robust winch, and safety margins for rough terrain. The core install follows, wiring a modular suspension, battery pack, and weatherproof electronics while documenting tools and timelines. Along the way, they tackle fit issues, heat management, and budget drift, offering field-tested tips and troubleshooting. On the trail, performance is logged, lessons are summarized, and viewers are invited to apply techniques safely at home.